Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the video for the Photosynthesis INB, or Interactive Notebook. You're not going to be putting this in your spiral, you'll just be turning this in, but it is an interactive notebook activity. So you can see we're on the Science 6 Schoology page. Scroll down to Module C, Ecology and the Environment, Unit 1, Photosynthesis Cellular Respiration, Photosynthesis INB, and this is the paper that you should have. So let me go ahead and see if I can flip this. Cool. Okay, so you have 3 sheets of paper here. You have the photosynthesis cut and paste. You have the cellular respiration cut and paste. And then you have the glue the photosynthesis cut and paste here. So I'll talk you through what all of that looks like. What you're going to be doing, it says, cut out and glue the page to the left of your notebook, blah, blah, okay, and your notebook describe. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to actually cut out, or you could write in the boxes, these boxes. All of these boxes go where these boxes are. And what you'll find is you have glucose, oxygen, from the sun, carbon dioxide, water, and enters through stomata leaves. Those are going to be on one side. And then sugar stored in roots, enters through roots, absorbed by chlorophyll, aids in cellular respiration, or exits through stomata are going to be on another side. Okay, so let's see. So we know glucose is here. This is glucose, so you could put that here. We have oxygen that can go right here. This is just oxygen. Carbon dioxide could go right here on the top. Light from the sun, that's going to go here. And then the last thing we have on the top is water. So you should have all of the ones across the top. And then let's take a look at the bottom. So sugar that's stored in the roots and trunk as starch for food. Well, glucose is another word for sugar. If we have glucose here, we're going to put the sugar stored right here. Enters through the roots. I'm thinking that's going to be the hold off on that. Aids in cellular respiration or exits through the stomata. That's going to be here under the oxygen. Okay. Absorbed by chlorophyll in the leaves. That's going to go under light. Enters through the stomata in the leaves. That's going to be water. So it's the carbon dioxide that is enters through the roots. Okay. So enters through the roots. The sugar goes here. Absorbed in chlorophyll goes there. Hopefully you can see my little arrow. Aids in cellular respiration goes over here. And then enters through the stomata leaves is going to be over here. So we should have this one done. What you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up cutting this out, this whole thing. And you're going to fold along this, but you're going to paste here. Let me show you where that's going to go once you have all of your things. You're going to paste just that tab here so that we can flip it up and see all of this. Okay. And we'll see what they want you to do there. It says next, underneath, describe each of the parts of cellular respiration. I think you have all the description here. That's fine. So here we have cellular respiration. The fun thing about cellular respiration is it is the exact opposite of photosynthesis. So the products of photosynthesis are the reactants of cellular respiration. And the products of cellular respiration are the reactants of photosynthesis. They're exactly the opposite. So let's see what we have. We have glucose again. Well, that's going to be sugar. This is sugar. Oxygen, that's going to go right here. Water is going to go here. CO2 is carbon dioxide. We'll put that here. And then ATP is an energy. Adenosine triphosphate is energy. So let's see. Energy as adenosine triphosphate is going to go right there. Okay, so glucose, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, and energy as adenosine triphosphate. That's going to go on across the top. Across the bottom, let's see, where sugar is consumed by eating plants, which makes it during photosynthesis. So this sugar is going to go right here underneath the glucose. Oxygen, taken in when the body respires, plants make it during photosynthesis. I think that that's going to be oxygen. We may come back to that. Released as sweat and urine is going to be the water right here. Powers the cell's daily activities is going to be your adenosine triphosphate. and then exhaled as waste is going to be your CO2. So you should be able to do this entire thing. And once you have that, you'll put it here. I'm not sure exactly what you need here because you have all of the information here. So what you'll end up turning in is just this page with both your photosynthesis glued here and your cellular respiration here. Make sure you put your name on it. And if you have any questions, please let me know.